Hey guys, this is Poet Spice, Jamie Lil Tallulah, and I am here to do an unboxing. And you'll be surprised at what unboxing it is. It is number 18 of the Crafter's Companion box. It is the character stamp and die kit. So let me show ya. So here is the box. I'm hoping you can see because it's like late at night here and it's dark and it's cold and gloomy. So there you go. Excuse me. Okay. And in my previous video, I did an update on D-stashes, so you can go check that video out as well. All right. So I got this in today. It is box 18. It's the Crafter's Companion subscription box. People ask where you can get this. It's sold on HSN, and you had to sign up at various times in the past. So if you didn't sign up, then you can't get the box. Now, that being said, later on, like several months after a kit has been released, they have been selling them on HSN, the Crafter's Companion site, and they've also shown up, if you've been paying attention to other people's videos, at what's that place? Tuesday Morning. So there you go. So you can possibly get it later. I think there's also a website like Used Crafter's Companion, New and Used Sale, something like that on Facebook, where you can go and see if people have it. So it's a subscription box, and you can't get it right away unless somebody's selling off theirs, and then probably in a few months it'll show up somewhere else where you can get it, and probably for a better deal. But there you go. As you know, I have a love-hate relationship with their boxes. Like if you're a brand new crafter, then they're probably awesome for you. So I've canceled a lot of the boxes for that very reason, because I like have this or have that and whatever. And if you've been a Crafter's Companion fan for a very long time, you'd have a bunch of stuff. But this one was so flippin' cute. You guys know I love to color, and the little people or critters in here were so cute. And I was like, I have to get this one. So I was so excited. Now, it has 230 pieces, but it doesn't seem to have, it's not as robust as other kits as far as extra stuff, and you'll see what I mean. So I want to show these last because they're so cute. So you get your cursory ribbons in your pastel colors, your very Eastery colors. You get your, what are these things called? Assorted pearl half dot-y things. So you get those. I'm hoping you can see okay, because like I said, it is late here. But I wanted to go ahead and do this. So you get your little pearls that you can see. And I do like the colors here because, I do love blue and purple. And then, of course, you get your cursory envelopes and card bases. So there are 3 sizes, I think, of 4x, your A2, your 5x5 or 6x6, and then your 5x7. And so you get card blanks for each size. Okay, so like I said, all your cursory stuff, blah, blah, blah. Then you get your papers. You get your, not clear, what do you call them? The plain background papers. And so I'll just show you the colors. You can guess the color scheme. So you've got this kind of piggy pink, a lighter pink. You've got this teal color, sea green, sea foam color. Your purples. You've got a light paley yellow, and then sort of like a, I don't know, maybe a sunflower yellow. I'm hoping they'll show up well. I'll put maybe something white and let it adjust. So I like the colors, especially like this color right here. It's hard to get a really good yellow, and that's a really good yellow. So you got your cursory plain papers, and then you got your printed papers. So let me show you those. And I didn't really watch a preview video. I kind of saw something really quick, but I don't remember. So you've got the feathers, which I love the feathers. Then you've got these stars, which is kind of cute. got these, which has all the colors of the papers in it, as you see. Then you've got this little pattern, which I like this pattern. What is it, a tweed? Not a tweed, but maybe herringbone? I think that's a herringbone pattern. So that's cute. I like this kind of safari looking paper. This would have been cool to have when I made my mini album, which I love. Some little rainbow sky paper. So as you can see, it's got a whimsical feel to it this time. Love this. It's got that fallish feel to it. And then you have the little arrows. It reminds me of camping. I don't know why. This one reminds me of like you should be camping or something. So those were your papers. So I was like, okay, yeah, blah, blah, blah. All cute, don't get me wrong, but what I loved the most in this kit were the flippin' characters. So you get a die, of course, and you got these are so edgeable words die. So you got the with love and what is this one? Thank you. And they gave you a little die to cut out the little aperture, which was good. I'm so glad that they did that because not everybody has this aperture die. And so I'm glad that they put it in here. Then, of course, here's the character die. So flippin' cute. Love it! Now, let me show you this one first because it's just too stinking cute. And I'm going to try to get one of these plain papers to help show it. It's just absolutely adorable. 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 You know, I'm a sucker for extra cute. So look at this. That's not very good, is it? Okay, you can see on this blue. Look at it. It's a cute little dog. And he's got his little love letter. And you will notice they've got a cat. How cute, right? But they made it, which is so fabulous. I love this design. So they made it so fabulous so that the dog and the cat use the same die to cut out. See? It's the same die. So they designed it so they cut out. Then, let me show you this one. They did a, what is this? They did a squirrel. Okay, look. So look at the squirrel. So they made it so it fits. Then they also did a piggy. So it fits. So it's so cute. All of them fit. It's so awesome. Now, this is the best part. So not only did they get the cute little animals to fit, a dog, a cat, a pig, and a squirrel, they did the freaking backs of the animals. So there's the back of your pig, the back of your cat, the back of, no, what was that? Is that the cat? No, that's the back of the squirrel. The back of the cat. See, Cheeto has a fluffy tail, so I immediately thought, Cheeto. And so the back of the cat and the back of the freaking dog. So you get 4 animal fronts and 4 animal backs and 1 die to cut it all out. That is so stinking cute. I can't wait to color these. And then, of course, you've got sentiments and stuff, whatever. But I was like, I love the animals. I love the animals. And when I realized that because you know how you look at something and you're like, oh, that's uber cute. So I saw these pieces. And then I'm like, wait a minute. That's the back of them. Oh, my gosh. That is cute. So I had to go back over to HSN to make sure that I actually had this one checked as to be received. Because I'm like, that is the freaking cat's meow. The bee's knees. The cutest of, oh my goodness, freaking cute. So, Crafter's Companion. Yay. I give you a thumbs up on box number 18. All right, that's my unboxing. I quit getting excited because I start coughing. Thank you for watching, and I shall see you later. If you're interested in anything for writing at National Novel Writing Month, definitely go check out my other channel. And I shall see you later because I will have something else coming up. All right, bye-bye.